Hey friends, today's hair tutorial is a braided updo. So we want to start by gathering all our hair into a middle ponytail, making sure our hair is very well detangled. We want to tie it with an elastic. Then we want to make an opening like I'm showing through this ponytail and bring the ponytail through this opening like I'm showing. Tighten it and then grabbing our ponytail, we will divide it into 3 equal sections and we will make a simple 3-strand braid. So basically we will cross side strands under the middle one. So we want to continue these steps over and over again until reaching the ends. I'm sure everybody can make a super simple 3-strand braid. Here you can make anyways the braid that is easier and you like the most. Now we want to tie the ends with a clear elastic and we want to wrap our braid over our base. Also, if your hair is longer, make sure to bring it through this opening again and wrap it several times. Now we want to fix our braid in place using some grips. Also, we want to bring some hair upper to hide our ponytail if needed. I'll use a grip for that. Also, you can use some bobby pins to fix everything in place. Use some hairspray if needed too. And our braided updo is ready. Guys, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles for more. But that's it for today, and I know, love you so much and see you soon in my next one. Bye!